Here we go, letter 2. Magister. Professor John Pelifex, Ioannis Pelifex, gives greeting dot salutatem to Professor Ortvinus Gracious. And here's how the letter opens. He says, you have to understand the idea of I give. I give amicabilem salutem. I give friendly greeting and incredible service. Servitutem incredibilem. Incredible service. Respectable Lord Professor, venerabilis Domine Magister, because, as Aristotle says in his book called the Praedicamentis, the categories, in his categories, it is not unuseful inutile dubitare to doubt de singulis about each and everything. Therefore, there is one thing, una res, which makes, facit, a great attack of conscience to me. In other words, he's telling Ortvinus, there's something bothering my conscience. One thing that makes a great attack of conscience to me. Recently, I was at the Frankfurt Fair. Misa is the word that means fair. At that time, I was walking along, I was going, cum uno baccalaureate, with a bachelor, with one fellow graduate, with a bachelor, through the streets to the marketplace. Et duo viri, two guys ran into us, who appeared sufficiently honesti respectable, as far as we could see, quantum ad aspectum. Aspectum means sight, so to our sight. And I'm loosely translating this as far as we could see. And they had on habu erant, black tunics, and great hoods, cum liri pipiis, with pull strings. I'm translating that liri pipiis as pull strings, the kind of thing you use to tie your hoods up. And God is my witness, Deus est testis meus, God is my witness, that I thought that they were two theologians, magistri nostri. Those are the two words that mean theologians. Remember the long argument in letter 1. What's the proper way to call a theologian? What's the proper title? Magistri nostri, theologians. As God is my witness, I thought they were two theologians. And I made a reverentiam, a bow to them, a show of reverence to them, de ponendo biretum, by taking off my hat. Then that bachelor, that fellow graduate, nudged me, stimulavit me, nudged me. It's like he put an elbow in the ribs of John Pelifex. He nudged me and he said, for the love of God, quid facitis, what are you doing? Those guys are Jews. And you just took off your hat in front of them, ante eos. Then I was terrified. I was as terrified, ita as terrified as if, ut again here means as terrified if we disame, I had seen a devil. A lot of times in medieval and Renaissance Latin, unum just means a, an indefinite article, a or an. It doesn't always have to mean one. If you want to say one, I don't care, but here it just means a. I was as terrified as if we disame, I had seen a devil, and I said, Lord Bachelor, may God, Deus, may the Lord God forgive me, parcat mihi, may the Lord God forgive me, because I did this in ignorance, feci ignorantur. But what do you think? Whether this is a great sin or not? All right, I'm going to stop there on line 20, and let's see what we can do with this.